sa mga taga-OFWs, kahit part-time, you can create wealth, you can create your own economy. Pangatlo, halos lahat kami nag-start part-time. Doc Ed started part-time, Francis M. started part-time, the training team started part-time, you, Roy, also started part-time. So, it's a matter of time management. And pwede mo palang baguhin yung ekonomiya mo, or meaning, you can shape your future by starting today. And pangalawa, para pag uwi mo, meron kang negosyong na-establish. Hindi kagaya nung iba na nag-start as an OFW, padala nila lahat ng kinikita nila, and eventually, 3 years, 5 years, sometimes even long as 20 years. Hindi sila nakakaipon dahil lahat napadala sa mga pamilya na nandito sa Pilipinas, which is napunta naman sa mga bayarin, sa tuition fee, which is napupunta sa maganda. Kaya lang, yung mga hardworking na nasa ibang bansa, wala silang na-establish na negosyo. Pag uwi nila, wala silang trabaho, wala silang naipon.
Right.
So, here's FW plus AIM Global, you can start part-time. Now, pag dumating yung time na magpareho na yung income mo, you can decide which is, you can go back home, you can do it full-time kasi malaki na nga, like marami na nangyayari ngayon as members ng AIM na nag-uwian na kasi mas doble na yung kinikita and nandito na sila for good. That's one of our mission, lalo na sa mga hardworking OFWs na.